So this song does something called pinching. It's where you use your thumb and another finger on your right hand at the same time to basically play a bass note and a treble note, or a low note and a high note at the same time. We did the bass line in the last video, so now we'll try the treble line. So place your third finger on the 9th fret of the 2nd string. If your guitar has dots on it, these dots will be on the 3rd, the 5th, the 7th, the 9th, and the 12th frets. So that kind of makes it an easier way to reference where you are instead of counting up from 1 each time. This time, you're going to use your first finger on your right hand to play your notes. This is the first time you've done this, so just try playing the open string a few times to get used to it. Okay, so back to the 9th fret with your 3rd finger on the 2nd string. Play that. Then move down to the 7th fret, still on the same string, still with the same finger. Then finally move down to the 5th fret, still on the 2nd string, still with the 3rd finger. Try playing these 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! Now we'll do the second half of the riff, which follows a similar pattern, just with different frets. Start on the 10th fret, still with the same finger, still on the same string. Then move to the 9th fret, and then end on the 7th fret. Try that a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last step is to put it all together. Play the first part we just did, then play the second part we just did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sweet. Try that a few times to get used to it, and in the next video we'll put the bass line and the treble line together.